Hello and welcome to this channel Technical Route. So from today's title you've already understood that what will be the today's content. So today's content is that how you can operate WhatsApp on PC or laptop from mobile. So normally you operate WhatsApp on mobile, however there's a process of operating WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So you need to follow simple and easy some of the steps, and you can easily do that from your PC or laptop. So without further delay, let's proceed to the main part of the video. So to operate WhatsApp on PC or laptop, just you need to go to a browser like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, and I am using Mozilla Firefox. So after I open the browser, I am just typing here WhatsApp web. So you need to type WhatsApp web on your search bar and then click on the arrow and then proceed. After doing that, there is an option called WhatsApp web. You need to click on it. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to a page. So after being redirected to a page, there are some details on this page, and I am reading it for you. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings and select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So actually I am now explaining what is happening actually. So when you open WhatsApp, and there is an option called WhatsApp web. In older versions you may get the WhatsApp web on after going into menu, then going into settings, but if you have updated the WhatsApp into latest versions, you will directly get the menu option, and then you will directly get the WhatsApp web option that is available on the updated versions of WhatsApp. After going there, you will be able to see a code. So that code is on WhatsApp web in your mobile phone, and this code will be on your laptop after going to this particular site. So what you need to do is here that you need to match the code that is present on your mobile in WhatsApp web with this code. So after you match, you will get the WhatsApp on your laptop or PC, the same account on your laptop or PC. So I'm just showing you, and I'm showing you the proof that I have got this. So just wait a minute and look at the screen. So this is my screen in my mobile. This is my account. I am just wanting to operate this one on my laptop or PC. I'm just showing it. So this is my account. You have seen it already. Now what I will do, just going to 3 dots on the top right corner, then go to settings. Sorry, just tap on the top right corner, then there's an option called WhatsApp web. So after tapping on it, you can see that logged in devices last active today at 21:10, which means that I have already logged in, no problem. So just what I need to do is just tap on plus. Yeah, that's it. Now what you do, this will scan you uh, the code on the laptop screen. So I can see there is an option called click to download QR code. If this happens, no problem, just tap refresh. It will be refreshed and you will get the QR code. Yeah, you can see the QR code has been taken on your laptop or PC, and I am showing it. Just a minute. So now you can see that my WhatsApp has been activated on my laptop, and just through a keywords code match I have done it already. And you can see that this was my account, and I have shown you the proof that I have done it. So these are the simple and easy steps you can do to operate WhatsApp on PC or laptop from your mobile, and very easy and very simple to perform. So, and in this way you can operate WhatsApp on PC or laptop. If you don't want to operate it on mobile, you can easily do it on PC or laptop. So these are the simple steps that I have shown to you. Hope you can perform this on your own. And that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will bring this kind of videos in future too. So till then, stay tuned with this channel and take care, and bye bye.